Hey guys, it is Monday, August 24th. Happy first day of school. I am so happy that you are here. I'm just going to take you on a brief overview of what to expect for today. So, you should be here on this starting page. Well, you shouldn't be here, but this is the starting page. Please make sure that you have watched my welcome video. There's a lot of good information about what to expect from the course, my personal information on how to get in touch with me. My conference period is 7th, and you can schedule tutorials with me by appointment. Also, at the bottom of that page is a summary of all of the assignments that I have loaded, so you can kind of see what's up. So this is everything that's on your calendar. You can also access that in the calendar section over here. All right, so you'll notice that there is a daily check-in button. Please make sure you click on this. I'll click on it and just to show you what it looks like. All right, so each day, so one time a day, you will come in here and fill out this form. So check what period, put your last name, your first name, your ID number, tell me if you looked at today's assignment, and then if you have any questions about the assignment, and then hit submit. That's it. Easy peasy. All right, let's go to modules. This is where your weekly modules are located. I'll unlock the days the morning of so that you don't get overwhelmed with all of the things, because here's the entire week. You don't want to see that on Monday, right? So we're going to focus on small chunks. Mondays and Tuesdays are our Zoom days, so if you are virtual, just make sure you hop on to the Zoom. This video right here is located in your daily overview, so this is where you found it. And then when you click next, the very next thing would take you to the Join the Monday Zoom. There are two separate links for first period and second period, so make sure you hop on right at your time. I won't keep you the whole time, but it's a good way for you to ask me questions, see me face to face, that sort of thing. Please be aware of my rules. Log into Canvas daily so that you are counted present. Complete your daily assignments by midnight so that you're counted present. Our Zoom days are Mondays and Tuesdays, and our flex day is Friday, but I will let you know ahead of time if we're going to Zoom on a Friday. Okay, so my rules for the Zooms are: be on time. That's punny, right? Be present. Don't be doing chores or other homework while we're Zooming. Be respectful to me and your other classmates, and use your video, but stay muted unless I tell you to unmute yourself. All right, so you click next. So those of you who are face-to-face will click next. So today is classroom procedures and expectations. We're going to do a lot of talk about routines and stuff in class. This is really important, especially for you virtual folks. You might decide to come back the second 6 weeks, but I want you to know what to expect when you do come back. So you'll watch this video. Here's a summary of those expectations, and you'll end up marking done before you can click next. So click next. Okay, and this is a video that Mr. Duncan made for us on how to navigate Canvas, which is pretty cool. So take a look at that and then click next. And then the last thing I want you to do today is contribute to this discussion post. So respond to the prompt and reply. This is important. It's 2 steps, guys. Please respond and reply to somebody else. What are your thoughts about your first day back to school? Are you face-to-face or virtual? Have you encountered any issues? What is something positive that you experienced today? I don't want any negative Nellies, all right? So give me all the positive vibes. Okay, and then it won't let you click next because that's going to be the end of what I unlocked for you today. But that is all that you are doing today. Okay, so I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'm always here for you if you have questions.